Tucked discreetly under cabinets, beside stair treads, or near your bedside, the Ginkgo Smart Batten light delivers versatile, elegant lighting without the need for wires or tools. Its base, crafted from real walnut or white ash wood, mounts cleanly to nearly any surface. The built-in motion sensor activates in low light, shining a warm 2,700 to 3,000 Kelvin glow for 15 seconds when movement is detected, ideal for saving energy while illuminating your path. The Gyor Pad selfie screen is the game changer you didn't know you needed. As an all-in-one solution for selfies, content creation, and vlogging, this tool reshapes the way you capture life's best moments. Offering sharp, high-definition visuals and impressive lighting control, the Gyor Pad selfie screen takes your photos and videos to the next level. Its ability to deliver optimal angles and flawless framing means no more awkward shots or off-center captures. Tucked into any workspace with ease, this compact cutting machine brings professional-level creativity to your fingertips without demanding a large footprint. With its ability to handle over 50 materials, including vinyl, iron-on, and cardstock, it's the perfect tool for crafting everything from custom decals to greeting cards and labels. Despite its small size, it delivers sharp, detailed cuts and intricate patterns that rival larger machines. The ThermoNex Thermalization. Neck Chiller offers an advanced solution for staying cool and comfortable during intense activities. Designed to support your optimal performance, this 8-hour neck cooler uses cutting-edge dual-temperature systems, ensuring you remain at your peak without the discomfort of cold pain. It operates efficiently by freezing at room temperature, maintaining a constant cooling effect with no moisture accumulating on your skin. There's no need to settle for ordinary when you can grow smarter. This advanced indoor smart garden transforms your countertop into a precision-controlled growing zone. Its generous 21-pod tray nurtures leafy greens effortlessly, while a dedicated 2-pod grow tray accommodates larger plants like cherry tomatoes or peppers. The LED grow light system offers 8 brightness levels and reaches up to 30 inches high, paired with a 180-degree rotatable detachable light panel for maximum flexibility. Precision meets elegance in the low free flow, an ultra-thin, low-profile mechanical keyboard built to elevate your daily typing experience. At just under 1 inch thick, its streamlined silhouette slips seamlessly into minimalist workspaces while still delivering the tactile satisfaction enthusiasts expect. Outfitted with Kyle full palm switches, each keystroke feels buttery smooth with minimal friction, ensuring a refined, consistent typing feel across the board. The Neewer ER 139.4-inch motorized camera slider is a versatile tool for capturing smooth, professional-quality video and time-lapse photography. This motorized slider features a carbon fiber construction, offering both strength and lightweight portability. With its sleek design, it supports a variety of shooting modes, including horizontal, tracking, and 120-degree panoramic shots, ideal for dynamic cinematic content. With its robust build and impressive features, the Neewer ER1 elevates the quality of any production. When breathing efficiency matters most, precision training tools like the BreathMax Dual-Tip Spirometer redefine what's possible. Designed to fit seamlessly into your routine, this compact device strengthens lung muscles, enhances airflow, and supports recovery, whether you're seated at your desk or pacing through a high-altitude trail. Engineered with dual resistance tips, it offers tailored inhalation and exhalation resistance to train both sides of your breathing process. Elevate your drinking experience with this striking stone drink dispenser, where nature's raw elegance meets functional design. Crafted from durable, cobbled granite, this unique bar accessory not only offers practicality but also stands as a conversation piece. The smooth, rugged exterior of the stone is paired with a stainless steel tap, making pouring wine or spirits seamless and sophisticated. Elevate your workstation with the Enton Power Desk Clamp Power Strip, a practical solution for powering multiple devices in tight spaces. This 12-in-1 power strip clamps securely to your desk, providing a clutter-free, organized workspace. The coiled cord offers flexibility, eliminating tangles and ensuring a clean setup while delivering power to devices with ease. Featuring 3-sided outlets, this power strip accommodates a range of devices simultaneously, perfect for high-demand setups or multitasking. A quiet force working behind the scenes, this all-in-one system transforms your environment with unmatched efficiency. Instead of relying on traditional water sources, it extracts water from the air, delivering mineral-rich hydration purified through advanced UVC sterilization. Each drop passes through a meticulous multi-stage process, ensuring the water not only tastes clean but is truly clean at the molecular level. No plumbing, no refills, just seamless atmospheric conversion into fresh drinking water. No matter where the road, trail, or water leads, the Fantic X10 Cross stands ready to perform with unmatched versatility and power. Designed to adapt across countless inflation scenarios, this powerful inflator features Fantic's innovative dual pump system. It doesn't just handle car tires, it's perfect for kayaks, inflatable mattresses, sports equipment, and even vacuum storage bags. Whether you're setting up camp or prepping for the drive home, the X10 Cross is your all-in-one inflation solution. Packed with innovative features, the Hatto Flashlight Duo is designed to provide exceptional performance in various conditions. This versatile tool combines powerful illumination with multifunctional elements, making it an essential companion for outdoor activities and emergency situations. Equipped with a dual light source, it offers a focused beam for clear visibility, while the colorful ambient light adds an extra layer of versatility for different environments. Slip into a zone of pure precision where every footstep, reload, and whisper is amplified for the win. This is what the Inzone buds bring to your gaming arsenal. Built in collaboration with Fantic, one of the top esports organizations, these wireless gaming earbuds are crafted for peak competition. Game all day with an impressive 12 hours on a single charge, or stretch to 48 hours using the charging case powered by LE Audio. Every detail of the Gamester Supernova is engineered to push the boundaries of console-style control across any device. Designed for endurance, its ergonomic shell features textured, rubberized grips and ultra-quiet buttons, making marathon sessions more comfortable and less distracting. The magnetic smart charging dock with a built-in 1000 mAh battery ensures that when you're ready to play, your controller is too. No cords, no hassle. Stay active without sacrificing your time or comfort. The Cursor Fitness under-desk elliptical machine transforms passive sitting into low-impact motion, seamlessly fitting beneath desks and in front of chairs for convenient daily movement. Whether you're clocking hours at your computer, enjoying a book, or watching TV, this compact elliptical helps burn calories, ease joint stiffness, and strengthen muscles, all without leaving your seat. Effortless wine enjoyment begins with the Hatto electric wine opener, a sleek, battery-operated tool designed to enhance every wine experience. With the press of a button, this automatic bottle opener swiftly removes corks in just 10 seconds, offering a smooth, uninterrupted flow from bottle to glass. Capable of uncorking over 170 bottles on a single charge, it combines convenience with efficiency, making it perfect for regular use or large gatherings. Fortified with unmatched endurance and engineered for harsh terrain, this powerhouse tablet is built to thrive in places where ordinary devices would fail. The RT7 Titan isn't just another rugged tablet, it's a survivalist command center, equipped with cutting-edge technology wrapped in a tough tactical shell. Whether you're operating in construction zones, wilderness outposts, or emergency response situations, it brings more than just connectivity. This Android 13 tablet features a colossal 32,000 mAh battery, capable of enduring for days without needing a charge. With 33-watt fast charging, downtime is nearly non-existent. Storage is equally generous, 24GB RAM and 256GB internal storage, expandable via microSD, giving you the room and speed to manage intensive apps and massive files. A 10.1-inch FHD Plus display provides clarity under direct sunlight. Certified IP68, IP69K, and MIL STD 810H, it resists water, dust, shock, and extreme temperatures. Immerse yourself in visual clarity with the Govies art, where sharpness, color, and comfort intersect. Designed for seamless integration into everyday life, Govies art delivers panoramic peripheral vision and stays unaffected by changes in ambient lighting. You remain aware of your surroundings, even as you dive into immersive content. Weighing just 3.9 ounces, Govies art ensures long-lasting comfort with no extra strain on your neck or forehead. Its innovative design supports prescription glasses and includes built-in diopter adjustment up to -3.5 diopters, accommodating interpupillary distances from 56mm to 76mm. Whether you're nearsighted or require glasses, Govies adapts without compromise. Visual performance is exceptional, featuring a 40-degree field of view, 55 pixels per degree, 4,496 pixels per inch, and a 60 Hz refresh rate, with distortion under 1%. Text remains crisp, images clean, and edges sharp with no screen door effect. Beneath a sky blanketed in darkness, clarity takes form through cutting-edge optics. The Yashika Vision isn't just a pair of night vision binoculars, it's a gateway to the unseen. Precision crafted to transform your night adventures, it delivers vivid 4K UHD full-color imagery, even when the light fades to near nothing. With a 3-level IR illuminator, it penetrates total blackness, revealing details up to 1,968 feet away. Engineered with 0.0037 lux sensitivity, Yashika Vision captures ambient light, moonlight, starlight, or even less, and translates it into rich, vibrant scenes. Forget washed-out, grainy visuals. These lenses deliver true-to-life colors, depth, and clarity that redefine night optics. Its intelligent AI-driven image signal processing goes beyond basic enhancement. It learns from every frame, reducing noise, sharpening contrast, and fine-tuning exposure to reveal details previously lost in shadow. Whether you're tracking wildlife, scouting terrain, or navigating after sunset, Yashika Vision turns night into an immersive experience. Take your workflow, entertainment, and creativity to the next level with the Lucos Ultrawide 4K monitor, a full cinematic workspace that delivers unmatched versatility. With a panoramic 49-inch diagonal spread and a razor-sharp 4K resolution, Lucos is engineered for those who demand more screen, more clarity, and more control. This isn't just a monitor, it's your theater, battle station, and productivity hub. Lucos offers a true 32:9 ultra-wide experience, allowing seamless split-screen multitasking that transforms a single monitor into multiple workstations. From editing large timelines to analyzing sprawling data sheets or coordinating design projects, Lucos streamlines every step with minimal eye strain. Its wide viewing angles, vibrant color accuracy, and immersive aspect ratio elevate both creative and analytical workflows. The experience of typing on glass has long been the standard, but Clicks transforms your iPhone into a tool of precision. Designed for those who write, message, and multitask constantly, Clicks brings physical control back to your hands without sacrificing screen space. No more toggling between keyboard and content. With 50% more usable display, you can work, play, or browse uninterrupted. Clicks are built with intention. The brushed metal side keys feel responsive and premium. A soft microfiber lining protects your device from the inside, while the durable enclosure guards against daily wear. Built-in MagSafe lets you snap on your favorite accessories without removing the case. Stay connected even when wireless isn't an option. With data transfer mode, plug in to access wired CarPlay or sync directly with your computer. No extra steps needed. Elevate your training with the next evolution of intelligent fitness. the Speediance Gym Monster. 2 brings pro-grade performance into a compact design, engineered to redefine home workouts with precision, versatility, and immersive features. This all-in-one system merges a squat rack, Smith machine, bench rack, cable machine, and advanced pulley systems into a single streamlined powerhouse, built for full-body sculpting across strength, endurance, and mobility disciplines. Its cutting-edge 2.1-channel speaker fills your space with dynamic audio, while the upgraded screen chip delivers crisp visuals and seamless responsiveness. 11 adjustable height levels allow optimal biomechanics for lifters of all sizes, and the Aero Row rowing bench introduces low-impact cardio and back-focused training. The integrated cooling system ensures peak performance without overheating, even during high-intensity sessions. A sleek motor compartment maximizes space while housing the enhanced safety protocols. If barbell speed exceeds safe limits or an imbalance is detected, the intelligent weight system intervenes instantly. Unfold an immersive workspace wherever you roam with a 17.3-inch QHD 2560 by 1920 display engineered for serious clarity and color precision. The Asus ZenScreen Fold OLED is designed to eliminate compromise. Its innovative water drop hinge folds seamlessly, giving you a massive screen in a compact footprint. With display HDR 500 True Black and full 100% DCI-P 3-color coverage, every pixel brings rich contrast and lifelike tones, which is ideal for content creators, coders, and professionals demanding accuracy on the go. This portable monitor is more than sleek. Its built-in kickstand provides flexible angles, while the integrated tripod hole opens up creative mounting possibilities. USB-C and mini HDMI inputs ensure rapid connectivity with laptops, gaming consoles, and cameras. The screen folds down to a travel-friendly form, yet expands into a full-fledged QHD workstation. When immersion matters and split-second response determines victory, the Gamester X2S wireless controller rises to the challenge. Built with precision engineering and refined ergonomics, the X2S transforms your smartphone into a pro-grade handheld console. From long RPG sessions to competitive shooters, this controller gives you the edge with tactile feedback, low-latency wireless, and deep customization. From artisan crafts to professional-grade prototypes, the E13D Texture UV printer reshapes how creators bring ideas to life. Built with precision at its core, this all-in-one modular printer blends advanced UV printing technology with compact engineering, making it ideal for home studios, small businesses, and creative entrepreneurs. Measuring under 15 inches on each side, the E1 fits effortlessly onto desktops without sacrificing performance. Elevate your home's atmosphere with a sleek, modern frame that blends timeless design with digital convenience. The PhotoShare 8-inch Wi-Fi digital picture frame in black wood delivers elegance and function, displaying cherished memories in vivid 1080p HD on a responsive touchscreen. Built to hold over 5,000 photos thanks to its 8GB internal memory, this frame transforms any space into a rotating gallery of personal moments. Precision meets compact power in a tool designed for creators who demand performance without compromise. This 10-watt mini laser engraver is engineered for fast, efficient operation while offering the versatility needed for working with wood, metal, leather, and more. Delivering 10,000 milliwatts of focused laser energy, it cuts cleanly and engraves with sharp, accurate detail, perfect for both personal projects and professional production.